Hello, hello. Here's a little unboxing, or an unbagging in this case, of a new notebook I found. This is going to be unique in that this is the first and only time I have ever seen an ad on Facebook and ordered something. So they got me there. So what we got is Cognitive Surplus Engineering Notebook. Engineering notebooks are really cool. This one is very nice. I love this green. I love this silver embossing in here. This engineering notebook, there's a lot of different subjects you can have for the symbol on the front. This one is literally the civil engineering notebook. So we'll open this up. It's got some really nice end papers. And oh, look at this interior, yes, with this nice light green paper, this nice and very nice green ink on this paper. So I'll have to do some tests to see how it holds. I can sort of see the ink from the other side, so I'm not sure how much ink this is going to hold reading both sides, but I do love this grid. This is a very nice grid. Bold green lines and this nice light green paper for this classic engineering notebook from Cognitive Surplus.